Are you ready for Friday Night Burps?
Like, oh,
Nice. Yeah, you're right. I'm like closeted
showing
sexual.
boob, like
Exactly. Fetish foot person. Like,
that was good.
yes. Number five. Burps.
I look like I have an outie belly button.
Oh, it's looking good. And that's why we're burping. I do it because I want to, not because the society told me to. We're also single, so it's like, why wouldn't we go out? That was a different. I like.
Why did you look sad?
It was a little burpy on the end.
Oh
And we're gonna go play video. We're like it's all. Do you have health care? Did we already talk
no!
about
Sometimes
this?
I feel like we're doing this just to talk to each other.
Kind of my favorite part. Alright. 1 second.
I'm still here.
How's that? Pretty good. 7 hours? Yeah. I think it's 7.
I know, me too. I'll let you go. You're tired.
I know, I'm so pooped, but I did do a lot of like that was way more drinking than I expected to do tonight, so I feel like a little. I'm such an old lady. I'm sorry. Is she yawning or miming blowjobs? Nobody knows because nobody knows the size of the cocks that she blows. That was poetry, right?
That was haiku.